Hey everyone, Donnie here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. When we return, gonna do my 10,000 subscriber giveaway. Details coming up right after this. Hey, welcome back everybody. Thanks for joining me. I know it's been 8 long months since I've done a video, any reviews. Those who follow me on my personal social media or even the Big Drone social media will know that I've been struggling with severe medical issues. Some of them blood clots in the lungs, so it's left my lungs partially collapsed. So I've been trying to work on getting them built up so I can talk without breathing heavy. So a lot of those reviews you heard me breathing heavy was because I had blood clots in my lungs at that time and I didn't know. Also, I have to have a few surgeries done on my esophagus and my stomach. I'm having some pretty major issues there. So I will be probably down again once that happens, but I want to try to make some reviews. And the main reason why I'm here too is to say thank you to everybody. I hit the 10,000 subscribers mark. So I am going to give away this ZLRC quadcopter. It's the Beast drone. It's the Pro version. I think that's like the second or third version that they made of this drone. I can't quite remember offhand, but it's a nice brushless GPS drone, you guys. So there is some rules, and the only rules is what YouTube wants for me to include on here, so you guys know. You have to be 18 years or older to participate in this giveaway. I'm not asking for anybody to subscribe. You know, if you want to hit the like button, that'd be awesome, but you don't have to be a subscriber. I'm going to do this giveaway by random generator where it picks out the person's, someone's channel from one of the comments. So I am going to use that program on that. I'm not going to do the other program where you have to subscribe to the person's channel, go to their Facebook page, like their Facebook page. I'm not going to do all that stuff. This is just going to be a giveaway for everybody. The only catch is United States, anything here in the lower 48, I will definitely pay for the shipping, but anything international, or same with like Canada, anywhere outside of the US, all I ask is if you are the winner to pay shipping on that. It's just at the moment, the shipping costs are just way up there, guys, and I apologize, but it's all I could do for now. So on the 30th, that's the end of this month, I'll pick a winner then, and then we'll go into more details on that, on how to get the information to me for the winner. But once again, got to be 18 years old. Need to at least be for free shipping in the United States, outside the United States. If you can cover the shipping, I can go and figure out how much the shipping is and then maybe PayPal me, then I can ship it out. But like I said, if it's United States only, I'll cover the shipping. I think I could get it on a low rate box, maybe $13, something like that. So, all right, my voice is starting to go, you guys. Look forward to some reviews that's going to be coming up. I have so many products that sponsors gave me for the last 8 months. So I'm definitely going to be busy with products to review for you guys. Some of them will be now outdated a little bit by a few months or so, 6 months maybe. I just couldn't do the reviews at that time. But for now, I just wanted to do a giveaway. Tell everybody thank you so much. It's been 4 years, wonderful years of doing YouTube. It's been fun for me. RC cars and drones have been a big hobby for me. So it's definitely a fun hobby to get into, and I'm glad I was able to help so many people, and I really appreciate everybody's support. 10,000 subscribers is a big milestone for me, so big thanks to all of you out there. So if people haven't seen the video, I have a link to this video on here, but it's a nice little drone, you guys. So it's free, except for paying for shipping outside the US. Like I said, I apologize for that, but there's nothing I could do at this moment. So a big thank you to all of you subscribers out there. Non-subscribers, hey, consider subscribing. That way you don't miss out on this. Hit that notification bell. But you do not have to subscribe to win. It's just at least subscribing, hitting the notification will let you know when I do have new videos or giveaways. So, but it's up to you guys. I'll leave that your choice. So anyways, thanks so much, everyone. Look forward to more videos here in the near future. I got Holy Stone. I got, oh my gosh, there's so many to list. I should make a list and do a short clip video for you guys, just so you can see what's coming up. But for now, just hit the notification bell. You guys will know what's coming. So, all right, thanks so much. November 30th will be the drawing, you guys. So don't forget, leave one comment. 18 years or older. Free shipping for anyone in the U.S., outside the U.S. If you want to pay for shipping and you're the winner, I'll send it out to you. But please leave only one comment, because I'm going to use that comment link generator. So try only to leave one comment. You know, if you want to say something or get in touch with me, I have my email down in the descriptions if you want to talk further. So, all right, guys, take care. God bless. Be safe.